This is a quick demonstration of the Cherry Hill 110 volt random orbital sanding system. And we just want to quickly demonstrate how you don't need an edger on this machine and how easy it is to use. The pads are stuck on as easy as this. We put 4 of them on. We put 40 grit on, and I'm sanding a piece of oak plywood with some paint on it to demonstrate how it gets within a 1/4 inch of the edges, so you don't need to edge after you're done sanding. It makes this machine so much more time efficient. Generally, when you always start the machine on its pad. You'll create a swirl pattern, and I like to give it a little lift while I start it so that it doesn't pop breakers as easy. Using the floor sander and you're within about a 1/4 inch of the edge. The question always becomes, what do you do to finish it? People used to use the palm sander to do this. It's okay. What we find is more efficient is renting the fine tool with the corner pad. It really lets you get in all the edges and do your finish work quickly. You see that I'm not pushing hard on the machine. I'm letting this do the work for me. And don't forget that on the fine tool, what we rent, it has a fast change head, and what it means is you can release it, rotate it to where you want it, and re-secure it on each edge so you can make maximal use of the sandpaper.